Base ka rin pa mag-aaral lagawanan ng Japan International Cooperation Agency o JICA at National Water Resources Board o NWRB, posibleng aranasan ng kakulangan king supply ng tanum karamiyalong lugar. Kalupa na ng Syudad Angeles, Mabalacat ampong San Fernando, king Banuang 2025. Inya naman ding mialiwang aguman, misasan metong labang isulong ng aktibidad at programa, dikil king water at watershed conservation. Metong nakene ang Congress sa midahon, kapamilatan na rin private at public sector nga ni Lunes, April 29, king Holy Angel University. Agpang king head organizer na ng Water, Trees and Me, ay James Pasamonte, bagya-bagya ng panamdaman king kasalungsungan ang problema king danum.
In Mexico, sabi, wala ng tubig. And here in Angeles, we also experience paggabi, no, where yung tubig natin talagang bawas na, rationalized in Manila, ganun din na nangyayari. We see it very evidently. No, it does not need science to prove it. We feel it ourselves. So, siguro it's still enough. We're rationalizing it, pero for how long?
Kapamilatan na ng Water, Trees and Me Congress, may kaka-call for action para karing sabla.
Dream ko, no, dream natin dapat lahat we about the environment. Sayang we have all the studies, we have all the manpower. Dapat merong tulong-tulong tayo in maintaining it. Sabi nga ng guest speaker natin si Ma'am Agatha, it takes 3 years dapat alagaan mo, no, para at least maging full-blown siya. Kung hindi natin gagawin yon, walang kwenta yung natin ng 3.
Dapat mo naman sana kanung iabi ka ring agenda ng opisyal ng gobyerno at ng aliwang politiko ing pamanyese king danum at karing watershed. Lakwas ng ngeni malapit na ing 2025 elections.
Sana will be more mature in choosing our leaders. Tapos primary concern dapat natin yung tubig. Sino ba hindi uminom ng tubig sa atin? Diba? How can you grow trees, grow plants? Bigas natin, kung walang tubig, hindi rin yan, di ba? So everything is there.
King katatawlyanan ng mesabing Congress, makasadya lang mamuong resolusyon ding sablang participant ang malyaring irekomenda at gawan. Mimiyaya namang kebalo ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DNR, karing malyaring itanam anting saup king pamanyese king kalikasan. Kaya ka rin native o local tree at tuna king lugal. Nara, bitaog, mulave, beach tree species sa Taliwapa. Ako, Inky Kain Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.